Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radio from the Nissan Murano, and this one is the generation 2011 and 2014, and in this case it is Nissan Murano Premium 2011. It has the factory sat-nav navigation screen, and it has BOSE premium sound system in the car, including the factory reverse camera, but at this moment the reverse camera already faulty. Anyway, we come back to how to remove it. We already did some work before, so we can make the video smooth and we can show you how to do the job. So at first, the tool you need to do is plastic trim removal tool. A small one like this should work, but anyway we use a bigger one, and that would be easier if you have something like this, bigger size. That would be helpful. So starting from the bottom underneath of the radio here, right in the center console, you will look down and you will see this piece. Stay right there and just put your plastic to remove to the side edge of this and push it out, and it actually come out easily. It has few clip at the back end like this, and this one comes out. And after that you will look upward from here. Okay, so you look on the side here, you look this direction, there's one screw, and just unscrew it and look on this side again, and look down here, you find another screw and just unscrew it, and it is something looking like this. Okay, that's the one, and two of them at the bottom. And after that you can use the finger, or you can use the plastic trim removal tool and slide the edge of this piece, and it comes out very simple and easy. And remember to disconnect the emergency button cable behind, which is this white cable here. Just unclip it, and this one come out so easy. Okay, like that. The same thing on the other side. Use finger hands, or with the plastic trim removal tool, you can get this one off easily. Just to clip at the back end, and after that you will see screw holding the radio, which is 1, 2 and 3 on this side. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 on this side. On this side we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 on the left side and 3 on the right side. Unscrew them and you can easily remove the top one out and the bottom out. Okay, it just come out very easy because it is holding by screw, and they have the connection by the cable, as you see behind here. Okay, they have cable connected. That's it, and it will show up the radio behind. So now just unclip those panel, and you already removed the factory bottom radio section. Okay, and we will soon make the second video to show how to remove the top section now. Yep, that's the way we remove the factory radio in the Nissan Murano 2011 and 2014. See you soon on the second video to remove the top LCD navigation screen.